So this is the beautiful pool. It's got a children's area as well as a shower, and this would be the pool that you would use during the summer months. So good morning guys, we are in Condado and you just have a beautiful pool just there, which is a community pool. Now this urbanisation is on the Costa Calida and it's not too far away from the beaches. So as I go through the gateway here, you have your outside space. Just going to pan around for you guys. So you got your furniture here and your outside table and chairs for outside dining. Just above you got that shade that you can pull across to keep it nice and shaded in the really hot summers. I'll just take this as a different angle for you guys. You're nice and private here with the hedges. So this is what you're looking at. So this is your outside space. You got a sofa and chairs to sit on and your outside table and chairs to dine off. You've got storage and you've got a shower there to wash yourself off after you've come from the pool, but there is showers over by the pool as well. So I'm just going to take you inside this beautiful apartment. So in the door you have got that security peephole, and inside, as you can see, you have aircon. Just going to pan around. You've got your kitchen there, and this is quite a nice space. It's great for a holiday home or a permanent residence. You have patio doors there which open out onto your front terrace. So I'm just going to take you down here. Now in here is your first bedroom. I'll just take you in there quickly. It is just full of the cushions. It is a single bedroom with a desk, and it has all the cushions in here from the front garden there. Got spotlights above there as well. And just here you have your aircon and your double wardrobe with your sliding doors, a mirror, and just above you got spotlights up there as well. So I'm going to take you out here now and you come into your kitchen. In your kitchen you got a fridge freezer. You also have your dishwasher, your hob and oven, plenty of cupboard space and drawers, beautiful granite worktops, and your sink and drainer. You've also got top cupboards and your hood extractor there, and some spotlights above. Very modern. Now just here is your shower room. So once the light's on, the fan is activated. You have got your shower there with a semi-frosted shower screen. You have your WC and your vanity unit. So you do have your heated towel rail there as well, which is electric. And you've got a nice large mirror just over the sink there. Here you've also got spotlights above. So let's go into the bedroom now. Now just here there is another bedroom. Could put a double bed in here. It holds two single beds. There's also security locks on the windows as well as the blackout blinds. And you have got spotlights again. Each bedroom has aircon. I'm just going to shut the door and turn around for you guys. So just there you have your aircon. You've got a TV and your large double wardrobes with sliding doors. And of course you've got a mirror just behind the TV there. So this overlooks the garden area, and if I come out here now, this brings you into the lovely master bedroom. Now the master bedroom has large double wardrobes as well. Just going to pan around for you. There is your outside space. You've got a lovely mirror there and your TV. Okay, just above you got spotlight as well. So I'm going to go outside. Now this is your outside space of your master bedroom. So you could sit and have breakfast out here in the morning. And just over there is your aircon, and in there is your washing machine. You've got a water point there. So this is where you could do all your folding of your clothes. And just in there is your washing machine. You're not very far from the shops and bars. It's only within walking distance. 5-minute walk, I would have said. So guys, what do you think of this property? If you're interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@tolettoseltobuy.com. We will leave the reference number in the title of the video, and of course this is a 3-bedroomed ground floor apartment on Condado urbanisation in the Murcia region. So until the next time, please keep watching. We have some fabulous properties with To Let To Sell To Buy. Do contact them if you're interested in any of our properties, and in each video we have the reference number below on the title of the video. So always insert that so the girls and boys in the office know which property you're inquiring about. So until the next time, take care and buy me a coffee. Bye bye. So this is the beautiful pool. It's got a children's area as well as a shower, and this would be the pool that you would use during the summer months.